Good morning, children. Today we shall start with the grammar topic articles. I think it is a fourth topic, third or fourth topic. So I hope you all are going to write this topic in your grammar notebook. Okay. Till now we have started, we have done parts of speech and the types of verbs or tenses we have done. Yes, tenses we have done. Now write down this topic articles. Now what do you mean by articles? Articles are used as determiners. Now what are the determiners? Determiners is it's a word which can be used before a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so that is a determiners. There are so many determiners are there. There are demonstrative pronouns, and there are so many determiners are there. Now articles are also one of determiners. These are also used as determiners. Now there are three types of articles are there. There are a and the. Now a and an. We can choose a or a. Okay. A or an are used as indefinite articles. A or an, not a. A or an is called as indefinite article, whereas the is called as definite articles. Now we are going to see about the uses of article a. Is used before singular countable noun. Okay, the articles a river, a book, a joke. So it can use before any singular countable noun which begins with consonant sound. Now consonant sounds are all sounds except the vowels. What are the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. So except this five vowels, all other letters are consonant sounds. Consonants. Okay. Consonant sounds of English. So these are a river, a book, a joke. Or it is also used to show a kind, a class, a species, like a deer. Like for example, a deer is a gentle animal. So we are talking about a deer. Okay, a tiger, like this, whatever we are talking about, anything, it's a kind, is the class, a species. Sometimes an article is used to show rank, profession or community, like a nurse, a teacher, a Christian. So like this we can use the article a. A and an. An is also we are going to use. So I hope you have understood this all. Whatever I am giving, please write down in your grammar notebook. Now the next one, article an. An is used before singular countable nouns, and that too begin with a vowel sound. Vowel sound, as I told you, a E, I, O, U. Vowel sounds. Okay, these all are the vowel sounds. And an umbrella. Okay, here the umbrella U is a vowel sound. Umbrella. Some words begin with vowels when written but begin with consonant sounds when spoken. If a word begins with a vowel but with a consonant sound, we use a before it. Like for example, 100 note. One. So see, one is, though the sound is O, but the sound, when you heard the pronunciation, it's a W is showing, it's not O. Got it? So that is why we are using a, not an. We are not going to see the letter. We are going to see the pronunciation of that letter. Though it's showing O only. O, E, I, O, U are the consonants, but we will not use blindly an. But we are going to see the pronunciation. Though it's showing a 100, one. When you see it, one. When you see it, it's not on, it's telling it is one. So the pronunciation is W. Got it? So that is why we have used here a. If certain abbreviation begin with the vowel sound, though they have consonant at the beginning, we write before them. an MP. So like this, some of the abbreviations we are using short forms, though it's starting with the consonant sound only, MP, member of parliament, though M is not consonant, but then also we use an. The article is often used with a particular phrases, a noise. Okay, so like this we are using a article with the particular phrases. So that we have seen about the uses of indefinite article and and I have given you the uses and which all the places we are using it with the example. Now these are use of article the. Now, the articles is also called as definite article. Now, what do you mean by indefinite and definite? Indefinite is that which is not particularly we are talking about. A girl, an umbrella. Which umbrella we are talking about? Which color umbrella or which girl we are talking about? We are not sure. It can be common. That is why it is called a indefinite. And the we are using as a definite article. That means we are talking about a particular person or thing. That is why it is called as definite article. Okay. Now when we refer to a particular person or thing, like for example, I saw the house which you had described. So we are talking about the house, that particular house, the house. Got it? So we are talking about a particular thing, particular person. Now the is also used with the common name when it represents the whole class. The peacock is a national bird of India. So we are talking about the peacock, the peacock, that particular bird we are talking about, the peacock. Got it? With nouns which are names of unique things, the earth. Okay, with superlatives with the in the degree of comparison, positive, comparative, superlative degree. So always with the superlative degree we use the tallest building, the highest whatever the mountain, isn't the brightest child in the class, whatever we use superlative we use the. And the other examples, we are using with words like first, third, last, next, only, same. The first row, the third child, the last boy, then the next paper or the next page, the only boy, the same thing. Whatever you're talking about, always we use the. With names of rivers, seas and oceans, the Brahmaputra, the Ganga, isn't that? Whatever. With mountain ranges, the Alps, the Himalayas, with trains, ships, aeroplanes, this Shatabdi Express, aeroplanes, anything we can say that, the airlines, all that. With holy books and scriptures, the Quran, the Bible, the Gita, isn't that? With newspapers, the Hindustan Times. With historical monuments, well-known building, the Red Fort, Taj Mahal. With the directions, the east, the west, the south. With the whole family, the Mehtas, isn't that? Means a name of any like the Guptas, isn't that? So whatever the Mughals, whatever we used to say that, with countries, the United Kingdom, all that we are using the. Before an adjective when it represent a class, the rich, the poor, like this when we are talking about represent a class. Before a noun to show a unit of measurement, like satin cloth is sold by the meter. When we are talking about any measurement thing, the meter. Before adjective in the comparative degree, the older he grew, the wiser he became. So the older, the wiser. Before the comparative degree we are using. Article the is also used with certain groups of words, like in the morning. Groups of words we are using, means you can say as a phrases. Is it that? In the cold morning, like this we can in with the phrases we can, certain groups of words we can use. So this we have seen about the examples of definite and indefinite articles. Now what we are going to see about omission of article, means some of the places we generally we don't use articles only. No need of using a and the and all that. Now the omission, these are the places before names of substances or abstract nouns used in general sense. Whenever we are talking about any abstract noun like sweet, sweetness, hatred and all that, we don't use the in before. Sugar is the sweet, we don't use. Us, we use sugar is a sweet, isn't that? Names of substance before most popular nouns such as names of people, names of continent, countries, cities. India is densely populated. The India is a no need of using, isn't that? You don't have to use sugar is a sweet. Huh? Before names of meals used in general sense. Dinner has been served. Is here we are talking about names of like a breakfast, dinner, lunch. Before languages English, French, means Saint teaches English. That time we don't use the and nothing, no need of using this type. So omissions of articles where we don't use any types of article, definite or indefinite articles. Before names of relation, father, the mother, no use. No need of a father, a mother. Father, mother, brother. Father has gone to play golf. Next is when a noun is used in a general sense. Deer are timid animals. So here is a in a general we are using. Isn't that in a common way? It's not particular that animal we are talking about. Deer are timid animal. With plural noun when they denote a class. We are talking about a plural noun like children when we are denote a class. Children has impressionable minds. We are talking about children. That time also we don't use any um, uh, articles with names of days, months, season. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, month also. January, February, season we don't use. It can be the winter, summer, spring, we don't use any articles with that. In notices, headlines, emails, messages, chief minister meets delegates from China. That time also we don't use the chief minister, we don't use such words. We use general that word. So these all are the places where we generally don't use any articles. Got it? So uh, you have understood about the you main types of articles. Again I am telling there are three types of articles. Definite articles, that is a and an, and indefinite article a and an, and definite article the. Indefinite articles which we are talking about, like not in general sense, not in particularly, we are not talking about any particular place, person, things. I have also given you the examples wherever we are using a on and generally we are using before the vowel sound a, e, I, o, u, and d is the definite article. Generally we are using before the particular place, person, thing, river, holy books, musical instruments, all these places we are using the a definite article. I have given you the examples which are the places we are using, and also there are some examples, some of the places where we don't use only articles. We don't need to use articles, either definite or indefinite articles. So it's easy and it's a scoring topic, articles, and you should be knowing it, and it's easy to score marks in articles. And these all topics whatever I have given you, please write down in your grammar notebook. I will be giving you around 10 sentences also, so that also you can solve it. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you have any problem with any of the sentences or any of the points, please ask me. Okay, okay, take care. Bye children.